this is Ingrid again. Today we are going to make some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I make them in a gravy. Come closer. Okay, I did the chicken thighs. There's pepper and seasonal I like to use. And we are going to fry these. What I did, I cut a lot of the fat. There's fat on here, and I took each one and I cut them in half just to make them more manageable because you're going to fry this. Okay, I'm going to put these all in here. And want to take a peek in here? Okay.
What oil was that you just used?
Here.
What oil was that?
And this is just a little bit of vegetable oil. Thank you, Isabella. All right, so hands here.
Let me take a little peek.
Now these are about 6 boneless chicken thighs, and what I did, I cut them in half because once you open them up, pretty much they're pretty big. So cut them down to size because you're going to also have other food. I'm going to have leftover noodles tonight that I'm going to fry, but this is very good with a wide noodle. Okay, as these are frying, we are going to add, once they're all fried, it's going to be chicken bisque I'm going to put in, and this here is actually soup from Lipton. The Lipton, I don't know if you guys get this, savory garlic. This is so tasty. So just 1 pouch with water. I usually, this is probably about 1.5 cups that I will add into here. And since I am using water for the chicken, I will also add a little bit of this. This is really good. It's chicken, gosh, I can't think today. 1 teaspoon of this, but this is very good. It's better than bouillon, exactly what it says. It is better, and it's very tasty. Okay, we have...
How long do you fry this for?
Okay, these are going to be just fried. You want them a little bit brown, and as you can tell, this is not crowded in here. You don't want to have too much because otherwise what happens, juices that come out and it will steam them. You want them fried. So I did the one side, and we are going to, this is fresh thyme that I took off, which is really tasty. I'm going to put a little bit of this.
Sprinkle it on the chicken.
Just on top. My little helper in the background, as you can tell.
As last time when we made the chocolate.
Isabella. Okay, a little bit of this. And then
Pepper.
a little bit of pepper. Okay, just a couple of turns. Here, while this is frying on that side, I will go and I'll just mix this with water.
What is that?
This is the garlic.
The garlic?
The garlic.
It looks like water.
Well, you have to add water to this because it's powder. Let's see, let's turn these over. You see these are getting nice and brown. And this is what you want, so we're going to just turn them over.
Closer.
Yep. Yeah, see? This is how you want them.
Nice
if I would have put more in here, it would have been, as you see the juices that do come out, then they would steam, and it also makes, it doesn't matter like what kind of meat you make, even if you're making like a beef stew, when you're browning the meat, you have to do it in batches because otherwise your meat it'll stew then because there's too much liquid in the pan, and then it gets tough. So this is perfect. This will be another 2 minutes. I'm going to turn them again. I'm going to add this soup, both soups that I have.
The garlic soup?
Yes. And then...
Can I film them?
And this will... Okay, like I said, this is
about water.
1.5 cups of water.
Yeah.
And I will add...
What's the other one?
This is the tomato bisque from Campbell's. This is very good. It makes a really good gravy. And this is like half an hour. Once it's fried, it'll be about a half an hour. And you can eat. I will make vegetables with that, whatever vegetables you like. And we are going to make the noodles that I have left over. I used to make fresh noodles with this, and it is very tasty. I used to have a salad, always a salad, eat dinner, especially if you don't have any vegetables. But everybody in this family likes salads, so this is what we have every night. And I like to buy different greens. I get the leaf lettuce, I get the butter lettuce, I think they call it, or Boston lettuce.
Are you turning them again?
Yes.
Can you show us the
Turn it
piece of the
back.
chicken and make, like, see that it's brown?
Yep,
so they can
it's
see
brown.
it.
So
Nice
because
and
now
brown.
it is going to be cooking.
It smells really good. Oma, later when it's done, can we try it?
Okay, here we're going to add this. This
No,
will be going in with
I have to film what she's adding.
of water,
Soups and stuff, or
1 cup of water,
in the
this soup. Okay.
The thing just got quieter.
Yeah, because it stopped frying because now we have the gravy in here. And this, this is very easy to make. It's quick and
So if you're like
like I said, even if you
rushing,
don't want to make any noodles with this, this is good. Like I can even serve it with rice if
so
you like rice.
like if you're rushing for like to make dinner, if you need to go somewhere, this would be good.
Yep, it would be. And then you can buy like the rice that you make, like from Uncle Ben's, I believe, makes all different kinds of rice that you can, it's ready in a minute and a half. You can just put in the microwave. So that's another quick option. But for someone that's working, this is like really, really good. Okay, we're going to add, this is the garlic soup that's going to go in here. Okay, we're done with this. And then, because of all the water
There's all the, that's the chicken so far.
we will go and put, this is actually how this looks. And even
It
if
looks
you
like honey.
taste this, you can taste this. It is very tasty, even just like that. It's not salty like a bouillon would
It
be.
looks like honey.
Yeah, it's not though.
I know.
So, okay,
There's the chicken.
we are going to let this cook. I'm going to put it on medium, a little bit lower than medium. And you want to make sure that you have all the soup off the chicken. We're going to put a lid on this and let it simmer 25 to 30 minutes, and you will have chicken that is out of this world.
Yes.
I think you will really like it.
Like a lid.
And I will be back to show you the finished product, and when I have the noodles and everything done, then you can see that too.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, and I will be back in about a half an hour. Thank you. We're back. Here, you can take a peek at this. It is cooking very nicely. We're going to have a very nice gravy. This will go probably another 15 minutes or so. In the meantime, I am making the vegetables. These are called broccolini. Comes in a pouch like this.
Yes.
And this is broccolini. This is very tasty. I had some leftover pea pots,
Can I have one?
which you want to eat it raw.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to, I just put a little bit of olive oil over this. And I have my olive oil in a bottle like this with the spouts, so you just shake a little
So
bit
you don't
on
get too
top.
much. Because
And we're
some
gonna
people
do
would probably
1
get so
spoon
much
of
of garlic.
Okay, and just toss it. Some things you have to use your hands. Okay, try to get like these pea pods more on top. Okay, this is going to go in the oven about 20 minutes, and it will just be right. It's not
These are the vegetables.
overcooked, and everybody loves these. Okay, I'm gonna put these in, and we will be back in about 20 minutes. Thank you.